Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create recurring subtasks in Asana. First off, log into your Asana account and select the particular project you're working on. This is crucial because Asana's recurring subtasks feature is nested within each project. Now that we've done that, find the task to which you want to add a recurring subtask. Click on it to open the task details. Why is this important? This step allows us to manage the individual components of your project effectively. Next up, click on the Add Subtask button located at the bottom of the Task Details pane. This will create a new subtask under your chosen task. This helps us because it ensures the subtask is linked to the right main task and keeps your project organized. Once you've added your subtask, click on the subtask to open its details. Then, click on the Due Date field. A calendar will pop up. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana lets you set due dates on subtasks just like main tasks, but there's more. Now, instead of just picking a date, click on the Set to Repeat option. This is where the magic happens. Asana lets you set subtasks to repeat daily, monthly, or even annually. The reason we do this is to automate any tasks that need to be done on a regular basis, saving you the hassle of creating them manually each time. Finally, choose the recurrence you want for your subtask. This could be every day, every Monday, the first of every month, and so on. After setting this, just click outside the calendar to close it. Let me explain why this matters. Setting the right recurrence ensures your subtasks appear when they're needed, making sure you never miss a beat in your project workflow. And there you have it. You've just set a recurring subtask in Asana. Remember, properly managing your tasks and subtasks can improve your productivity and streamline your workflow. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to tune in next time for more tips and tricks to optimize your Asana experience.